In this video, we're looking at a brand new function in Excel 2013. So remember, it only works in Excel 2013 or later. What do we have here? Well, we have a customer with a customer number and a list of customers. And here we are using the VLOOKUP function to get the information from the customer. If you use VLOOKUP a lot, then you know what might happen if I type a wrong customer number here, let's say 550. You get the NA error because there are only 4 customers, right? And sometimes it's pretty obvious why you get the NA error, but sometimes it's pretty hard to see why it is the case. And if you are the creator of the workbook and you have a lot of different users, you can get a lot of questions. Excel 2013 introduced the IFNA function. So what we're going to do is edit this VLOOKUP function, and there's another video about VLOOKUP, so I'm not going to dive into that one. But if you do IFNA here, IFNA, and we just press tab, we now have a value that we need to put there for the IFNA function, and in this case it's our VLOOKUP function. And the best practice is that your IFNA function is the outermost function, because the final result, if that is NA, then you want to tell your user something. And that's exactly what you can do with this function, because here we are going to type our comma. So we're still in the IFNA function. And now it says, give me a value IFNA. And what this means is you can refer to another cell or even type a formula here, but you can also just type a text. In this case, we can say customer not found. Close that, enter, and there you have it. Customer not found. If I type 500, then we get customer 1 and $1,000 in sales. If I type just some random number that doesn't exist, we get customer not found. I think it's better than the NA error. We can copy this. The only thing is that if I do that, then I need to change this one slightly, because now it's referring to the second column and we need to change that to the third one. And now we can change this into 501, and there you have it. Now we have some nice error messages. And if you don't want to copy everything because you have a huge VLOOKUP, for example, with a lot of columns, then you could just do the first column, or maybe the second column, or the first and the second, but just make it clear to your user that he's or she is doing something wrong, right? It's a nice new function, Excel 2013 or later, IFNA.